Which among the following is the capital of the country Morocco? The correct answer is C, that is Rabat. It is located on the Atlantic coast at the mouth of the Wadi Borire opposite the city of Sela. Which of the following countries' capital is Suva? The correct answer is C, that is Fiji. Suva capital, chief port and commercial center of Fiji in the South Pacific Ocean. The city lies on the southeast coast of Viti Levo, that is Fiji's principal island. Match the following countries with their capital cities. The correct answer is B, that is for Armenia, the correct answer is Yerevan. Then Georgia, the correct answer is Tbilisi. Then New Zealand, the correct answer is Wellington. Then Turkey, the correct answer is Ankara. And the last one is Uzbekistan. The correct answer is this one, Tashkent. Which is the capital of Kenya? The correct answer is D, that is Nairobi. So it is situated in the south central part of the country and in the highlands at an elevation about 5,500 feet. And the city lies 300 miles northwest of Mombasa, that is Kenya's major port of the Indian Ocean. The city lies 300 miles northwest of Mombasa, Kenya's major port of the on the Indian Ocean. What is the capital of Zambia? The correct answer is E, that is Lusaka. So Lusaka city, capital of Zambia, it is situated in the south central part of the country on a limestone plateau, that is 4,198 feet above the sea level. What is the capital of Mongolia? The correct answer is B, that is Ulaanbaatar. It is situated on the Tul River on a wide-swept plateau at an elevation of 4,430 feet. What is the capital of Finland? The correct answer is C, Helsinki. So capital and largest city is Helsinki and spoken language are Finnish, Swedish and Sami. A language is spoken by the Laplanders, the indigenous people inhabiting the Arctic area of Sapmi. What is the capital of Assam? The correct answer is C, that is Dispur. So Dispur, city capital of Assam state, northeastern India. Following the administrative reorganizations of the region in 1972, Dispur, suburb of Guwahati, became the state capital. What is the capital of Norway? The correct answer is B, that is Oslo. Oslo, formerly known as Christiania, capital and largest city of Norway. It lies at the land of Oslofjord in the southeastern part of the country. What is the capital of Albania? The correct answer is D, that is Tirana. So Tirana, city capital of Albania, it lies 70 miles east of the Adriatic Sea coast and along the Isthmus River at the end of fertile plain. What is the capital of Jordan? The correct answer is C, that is Amman. Amman, capital and largest city of Jordan. It is the residence of the king and the seat of government. So Amman, capital and largest city of Jordan, and it is the residence of the king and the seat of government. Vienna is the capital of which country? The correct answer is C, that is Austria. So Vienna, the capital of Austria. Of the country's 9 states, Vienna is the smallest in area but largest in population. Addis Ababa is the capital of which country? The correct answer is B, that is Ethiopia. Addis Ababa, also spelled Addis Ababa, capital and largest city of Ethiopia. It is located on a well-watered plateau surrounded by hills and mountains in the geographic center of the country. What is the capital of Czech Republic? The correct answer is A, that is Prague. So Prague, Czech city, capital of Czech Republic, lying at the heart of Europe. It is one of the continent's finest cities and the major Czech economic and cultural center. What is the capital of Ukraine? The correct answer is Kyiv. D option. Kyiv is the capital and most populous city of Ukraine. It is in the north central Ukraine along the Dnieper river. As of 1st January 2021, its population was 29,62,180, making Kyiv the 7th most populous city in Europe. What is the capital of Belgium? The correct answer is Brussels. It is a country in Western Europe, is known as medieval towns, Renaissance architecture and as headquarters of the European Union and NATO. What is the capital of Bolivia? The correct answer is C, La Paz. It is situated around 42 miles southeast of Lake Titicaca. It is situated some 42 miles southeast of Lake Titicaca. The capital city of Portugal is dash. The correct answer is E, that is Lisbon. Lisbon is Portugal's highly coastal capital city. From imposing São Jorge Castle, the view encompasses the old city special colored building and suspension bridge. The National Azulejo Museum displays 5 centuries of decorative ceramic tiles. The capital of Belarus is dash. The correct answer is C, that is Minsk. Warsaw is the capital of the dash. The correct answer is B, that is Federal Republic of Poland. So Warsaw is the capital of the Federal Republic of Poland. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.